Today I will show you how to use the Launchpad. So go to Launchpad here on the dock. It may be on your dock. If you don't see this icon or the sort of like rocket icon on the dock, then just go to Spotlight by pressing Command Space. Yeah, by pressing Command Space, and then you will search for Launchpad, just like that. So now, once you found it, you click it, and here you go. This is the Launchpad. So here it may look differently. You can see your notifications here. You'll see a red dot if there's a notification. Like notification. Sorry. Like here. Yeah. So if you want to do a folder, let's say with photos and photo booth, just drag the Photos app into the photo booth icon. Wait. And then here you go. There is photo booth and photos. And now here, there will be an icon that will be removed because it will be in the folder. If you want to rename the folder, you can hold the Option key while clicking. And after, click on the name of the folder, which is here Entertainment. For the delete key, after name it whatever you want. Photos, let's say. And after you just click on empty background, and then voila, now you're back at your page. And once you're done, if you don't want to use the folder, just drag this icon out, and then put it at the right. Well, yeah. Now the preview icon will be here and all sort of stuff. And also here you can click if you want to go on another page. And this is the Launchpad is like a iOS interface that allows you to browse apps on your computer. Goodbye.